Lesson 11, Unit 3, this is about the 3/4 time signature. It's very similar to Lesson 10, except for 10 is 2 beats per measure. This is 3 beats per measure. This one doesn't use a lot of half rest. It does talk about this whole rest right here that takes up the whole measure. It's a long story, so that means this one takes up 1, 2, and 3, even though I taught y'all it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, music can be stupid sometimes. So in this circumstance, it takes up 3. So what you need to do is remember about how many beats are in the quarter notes and the quarter rests, that 2 of these are 2 beats and stuff like that. So, oopsie. Number 1, complete the measures using 1 count or rest, count and clap. So you're going to put, 1 note or rest. So you're going to put 1 note right here to finish that measure. You have to choose the right kind of note to put there. So if this gets 2 beats, this one can only have 1 beat. It can only get the number 3. Same with here. Same with there. You got to make sure it's 1, 2, 3. You need to have something that takes up, or 2 things that take up that many beats. Oh, it says notes, so you need to put a note that fills up there. You need to put a rest that fills that up. You need to put a note that fills those up, and a note that fills this up. So look toward the top for help about how many beats are in each note. Number 2, circles the measures with incorrect number of beats. So again, since 3 is at the top, we want to make sure each measure gets 3 beats. Okay, I'll go ahead and tell you that this one right here is correct, so don't circle that one. That rest takes up the whole measure. Whole rest, whole measure. Number 3, in the example below, draw bar lines and a double bar line in the correct places. Count and clap. So the double bar line is this thing. So thick line, thin line. Then you're going to count and make sure there's 3 beats in each measure. So that's 1, 2, 3, line. 1, 2, 3, line. Remember, it's not 3 notes, it's 3 beats. Oopsie. Oh no, what just happened? Lost my page. 13. There we go. My bad. All right. Number 4, in the exercise below, add note stems and bar lines in a double bar line. Add whole rests where appropriate. Write the beats below the grand staff and then count and clap. Write the names of the notes below the beats. This is not easy. So double bar lines. Thick, thin, thick, thin. 3 beats in each measure. So at the top, that whole rest right here is going to take up the whole measure. Down here at the bottom, we have 1, 2, and then this note gets 3. So my first bar line is going to go here. Then up here, down here I don't have anything, so don't worry about that. Up here, 1 beat, 1 beat, 1 beat. 1, 2, 3. Another line goes there. You need to keep counting 1, 2, 3 and put a line. Remember that this takes up the whole measure. So if it's that, it gets the whole section to itself. I know that's a little confusing. Then you need to add the stems. The stems are the lines that come up from the note. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, that one, etc. on the circles. Rest do not get stems. That's it.